Hello friends, welcome to my channel Code GP. I hope you are doing well. In this video, let's learn about how to use multiple type parameters with generic methods and classes. So let's cover some uh, theory part about multiple parameter. So let's proceed, friends. Java allows us to define generic methods and classes with multiple type parameters. This can be useful when we need to work with more than one data type. So friends, let's see one Java program which demonstrate multiple type parameters in Java generics. Okay, here I do have already one class with name multiple parameter. Now let's create one another class with name generic pair with type parameters t and u. Okay, class generic pair with type parameters t and u. So friends, here we are using two parameters t and u. Okay, so let's create object. So this is an object of type t and second is u. The name of object is value, second value. Okay, and this is an object of type u. Okay, now let's create constructor to print the objects of type t and u. So right click, generate constructor, select generate constructor using fields. So here we do have message the selected type contains no fields which may be initialized. Okay, friends, I have clicked out of this class scope. Friends, I had click out of the class scopes, hence the last message was pop. So let's create in the curly brackets and select generate constructor using fields. Okay, and click on generate. So friends, here is our constructor. Now let's proceed. Let's create a print method to print the objects of type t and u. Okay, so public void print method body, write the code to get the output. First value plus pass the object first value. Okay, similarly write the code for second value. Okay friends, now let's go into main method to test our generic pair class. Okay, Let's save the code, delete this, delete some spaces so our code will looks good. Save the code again. Okay friends, now friends let's create an object of class generic pair. To call the method print. Okay, so let's proceed. New generic pair, data types string, integer, and pass the data types Java, which is of string data type, and 42 of integer data type. Okay, now let's come to left side, write the class name again, generic, pair of data type string, generic class of data type string and integer. Okay, and let's give the object name as pair here. Give the small letter G, write the small letter because we have defined class generic pair with small letter. Okay, sorry friends, here I have done one mistake. We have to uh, define this class generic pair out of the scope of class multiple parameter. Okay, so let's do correct that. Let's cut the whole code from here and just paste it above the scope of out of the scope of class multiple parameter, because this is our main class. Okay, so we have to create one another class out of the out of the scope of this multiple parameter class. Okay, so let's paste our code which we have cut just before. Okay friends, so now you can see that now we don't have any error here. Okay friends, so let's continue. Now we have created here object of class generic pair. The name of the object is pair. Now let's call the print method using the object pair. Okay, on the object pair. Okay, pair dot call the method print. Now print, just save the code. Now friends, our code is completed. Now we have done with our code. We have added all the methods and classes related to our code. So friends, let's print our code now. So friends, here is our output. First value Java and the second value 42 of integer data type, and first value which is of string type. Okay, so friends, in this way we can use multiple parameter in a generic class. So this is all about using multiple parameter in generic class. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel CodeGP. Please help to grow my channel. Please make my efforts worth. Please add value to my efforts. Keep coding, happy coding. Thanks for watching the video.